strategy for 2027. I worked for this strategy for 2 hours. If I am preparing for 2027 with enough knowledge, then how I will prepare? What should be my strategy? I kept myself in your shoes and I made this strategy. If possible, write it. Why? Because 2 hours I took. 15 years of experience with 2 hours means huge content this is. Vision, dream, mission, how we are going to reach the dream, strategy. For that, what are all the tools I am going to use? Then finally, success. Vision, mission, strategy leads to success. Like this timetable you need to make. See, my dear students, January completed. February. 2027 UPSC calendar did not released yet. 2026 calendar released. 2027 calendar did not released yet. So, February, 11 months are there in 2026. I got the information that August there will be mains. Means you will read up to July month. Means 7 months. 11 plus 7 months. How many months? 18 months. 1.5 year for next 18 months. For next 18 months. This should be your strategy. Permanent strategy. Follow only one strategy. I am telling you, don't change strategies. One strategy, fixed strategy. Again, you have to make after the 18 months only. Starting from February 1st, 2026 to July 31st, 2027. Total 18 months. Weekday plan Monday to Friday. You have to get up at 6 o'clock. You have to sleep by 11 o'clock. 7 hours of sleep is enough and more. 7 hours of sleep is enough and 6 is enough. But take one more extra. 7 hours of sleep. 6 hours of classes. 4 hours of self-study is also important. I am telling you. I am accepting as the director of the academy. Just by attending the classes, you will not get the result. Attend the classes 6 hours. Do self-study for another 4 hours. 2 hours of newspaper. In the beginning, first 6 months, daily read a newspaper for 2 hours. Take time, no problem. Take time, 2 hours, yes, take time. What will happen, your vocabulary, your jargon, your social issues, your political issues, your economical issues, you will come to know properly. So next 6 months, from February, I am taking from February 1st. February, March, April, May, June, July. This is for 2027 prelims, 2027 mains. 6 months, 2 hours of daily newspaper, slowly. 6 hours of classes, 4 hours of self-study. Monday to Friday. Weekend. Our weekend means we are not software employees. Weekend means we are UPSC aspirants. Weekend means we have to work more. Saturday. 12 hours of study on Saturday. Means if classes are there, then 6 hours of class, 4 hours of self-study, 2 hours of newspaper. If classes are not there on Saturday, 12 hours of self-study, including newspaper. Sunday. Compulsory, my dear students, make a practice, make a blind practice that in a week you are going to have holiday only for post-lunch. Pre-lunch, 4 hours of test, 4 hours of study, 6 hours of break. Early morning get up, do revision, go to the center, write something, write some test, do some writing practice till your lunch time. Do lunch, take break. How you should take break? Monday to Saturday put one competition, Monday to Saturday put one challenge, Sunday write the test. If you written test properly, then celebrate yourself. Give gift to yourself by going to a movie or eating biryani. If not, you tell that I am not going to eat biryani. If not, I am not going to go movie. So at least to go to movie, you have to write exam well. In that way, every week you have to plan. So it should be piecemeal, week by week. I am telling you, Sunday night you will sleep the best sleep you will be getting in your life. So this should be your timetable. Weekend, weekdays. Then monthly plan, February onwards. February, March, April 20, you will be having original GS classes, subject. Till April 19th, you will be having NCERT classes, basics. So till February, March, till April 15th, you will be doing only NCERTs. So NCERTs you will be completing. Newspaper reading you will not stop. Answer writing also you will be doing. Daily one answer. You will have the mentors. Daily they will give one question. I will give one question. Right answer. Show me. Show to the mentors. Get evaluated. You will write wrong. No problem. No. At least you are writing something. So this 3 months your duty is what? NCERT, newspaper reading, writing something. Then February to April 2026. Then April 2026 to December 2026. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 9 months. April month, May month, June month. In our GS classes, we will be doing polity and history. We will complete both. Parallelly, your polity and history should be completed. So what will happen, by June end, you will be confident that my polity completed. ఒక్కొక్క సబ్జెక్ట్ కంప్లీట్ చేసుకుంటూ పోవాలి. అన్నీ ఒకటేసారి చదవకూడదు అనుకుంటాం మనం, మంచి పద్ధతే కాదనను, కానీ ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్ అయిపోయింది అనుకోండి, ఆ ఆనందం వేరు. వీ హ్యావ్ టు గెట్ దట్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్, వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫీల్ దట్ హ్యాపీనెస్. సో బై జూన్ ఎండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు కంప్లీట్ యువర్ పాలిటీ అండ్ అట్లీస్ట్ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్, అట్లీస్ట్ యూ విల్ హ్యావ్ ఎ వాయిస్ దట్ ఐ కంప్లీటెడ్ మై పాలిటీ అండ్ history. Then 3 months, the next 3 months, July, August, October, geography, economics, governance. These are big subjects. Geography is small subjects, economy is strategic subject, governance is a small subject. So 3 months, geography, economics and governance. Then November and December, ethics, essay, international relations, Indian society, social justice, internal security. Ethics, 60 hours. Essay, practice is most important, those 2 months. Why? Because you are reaching. Why I took more time here, April, May, I feel like a beginner only. That is the reason I took only 2 subjects. Slowly number of subjects are increasing. Then what all subjects are there, sir, in history? I will give you art and culture, ancient, medieval, modern, world history, post independence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 modules you have to complete by June 31st. Physical geography, Indian geography, world geography, environment, disaster management. You have to, geography means is all. Geography means what? Geography, environment, disaster management, Indian geography, physical geography, world geography. By October 31st. Here I mean geography means environment, disaster management as well as geography. Then 2026, December 31st completed. January 1st, 2027. Monthly plan, January and February 2027. Start prelims preparation and a few main subjects. Prelims preparation should be started. My dear students, remember this. UPSC since COVID, clearing prelims is becoming very tough. If you clear prelims, your mains will be a cakewalk if you got a very good mentor, very good teachers. So from January 1st, 2027, you have to sit for prelims. January month you will start with CSAT. Sir, why after 7 months, sir? Remember that CSAT is only clearing line. CSAT is only out of 200 marks, you have to get 66.6 marks. There is nothing to remember. There is nothing to buy hard, or there is nothing to master. You should plan such that out of 200 marks, you have to get 100 marks. So January, you should sit for CSAT. February, you have to sit for CSAT. January month, you have to complete CSAT. And parallelly prelims revision also. Polity revision and history revision. Prelims revision, polity and history. Are you getting my point? Then science and technology, sir, February. We didn't discuss science and technology. Why I took science and technology in the month of February? Because science and technology is nothing but current affairs. Science and technology and current affairs. And every Saturday you will have weekly current affairs class by me. Every Saturday I will be taking current affairs class. That Monday to Saturday, what are all things happened? On Saturday I will be taking a current affairs class of 1.5 hours. It will be sufficient and more to complete the current affairs, with content will be given to you. And science and technology classes you will be having in 2027 February. And parallelly you will be doing prelims revision for geography and economics. So see here, by February end, your big 4, polity, economy, history, geography revision will be complete. Then March 1st, April, May 2027. Why? Because date we don't know of prelims. May 2027, 3 months. March, April, May. March 1st to May 2027, exclusive preparation only for prelims. Prelims test series, high focus on. Why? Because you have to clear prelims. After clearing prelims, 2027, May, the day, prelims day, after writing prelims, from June 2027, June 1st to September, in between minimum 100 days are there. Last time 80 days only, but approximately there will be 100 days. June, July, you have to do optional, ethics, essay, answer writing practice. August month, GS 1, 2, 3, ethics, essay, answer writing practice. September, write full length mock test, full length test. Hence, your mains also will be a cakewalk. But 18 to 19 months, if you work for 14 hours, you have to identify. Life lo ఏదో ఒక టైంలో మనం మారాలి, లైఫ్లో ఏదో ఒక టైంలో మనం కష్టపడాలి. దేవుడే మనకు దారి చూపిస్తాడు అనమాట కొన్ని సందర్భాలలో. ఇది నిజం. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు కష్టపడే టైం వచ్చింది, ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు కష్టపడాలి, ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు కష్టపడితేనే నీ భవిష్యత్తు బాగుంటుంది అని చెప్పేసి ఒక దారి చూపిస్తుంది. దాన్ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేసి ఎవరైతే ముందుకెళ్తారో వాళ్ళే సక్సెస్ పొందుతారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ, ఉమాహారతి ఆల్ ఇండియా ర్యాంక్ 3. She gave her 4 attempts. Why? Because a classic example, so I am taking it. She gave her 4 attempts. She went to UPSC interview. Her 4th attempt interview, aspirant. She joined only interview guidance program with me. Only when her attempt was 2022. Then what happened? she didn't clear it after going to interview with geography optional. Then she came near me. By seeing my approach, she liked and she came near me. Sir, I could not clear the examination. Sir, for 3 times I wrote mains with geography optional, but I am unable to cross 240 marks, sir. The best I written in my 2021 attempt, but I got only 230 marks. I am unable to do what I should do. She came near me and asked, then I told one thing, Amma, you tried for 4 attempts. It didn't work. కొన్ని సందర్భాలలో వర్క్ కాకపోతే అది వదిలేసి కొత్తది మనం పట్టుకోవాలి. So sometimes a few things, when it is not working, you have to change your strategy. Take my word and change your optional. I will guide you. We will see how it won't work. And next time, she changed her optional. I gave the material. I guided most frequently on mobile phone. I gave books. I gave some lectures. I was reachable. When she want, I was been very much available to her, and she got all India rank 3. And because multiple times she told that I got rank only because of changing my optional. Means what? What I want to tell you, I am not telling that because of changing, it's not because of anthropology I am telling you. I am telling you that she understood that now it's a time to change. She understood that now is the time to change her strategy. Changing option is a very big thing, no? Change optional, cracked the examination. Means sometimes we have to identify when we have to change, when we have to work hard, when we have to break, when we have to move on, then only we will get success. Now, today is the time for you for another 18 months to work hard. Means from September 2027, October 1st onwards, preparation for interview. Preparation for interview అంటేనే చోలకు వినడానికి చాలా అద్భుతంగా ఉంటుంది. See, this should be your strategy for your 2027. Have a long-term vision, consistency, then only you can crack this examination. So, this is about my second question. Strategy for 2027. I gave you the strategy for 2027. Isn't it? Online? You got? So, first I told why you have to prepare for civil services. Why? Because you are a beginner, you need to know. See, if I am teaching class, I need to know why I am teaching. If you are attending the class, you need to know why you are attending. If you don't know why you are attending also, then you should not sit here. Waste of time, no? We should know why. The biggest motivation in the life is why. Why in minchina motivation anede undadu.